Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can recover deleted text messages on iPhone. So let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open the message application. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on this three-line icon, then select Recently Deleted option. And here you will see all the messages that were deleted within last 30 days. Scroll to the list, find the message you want to recover, and then tap on Recover, or choose Recover All if you want everything restored. If the messages are not showing here or it's been more than 30 days, there are a couple more things you can check. Exit the message application and then open up settings. Inside here, simply tap on your Apple ID. Scroll below and then tap on iCloud. Scroll below again, find message, and make sure use on this iPhone button is enabled. If the messages in iCloud was turned off before, previously deleted message won't be recoverable. However, enabling it now will help it protect your message going forward. If the message is still gone, the last option is restoring from an older backup. Inside settings, scroll below, tap on General, scroll below again, then simply tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Erase All Content and Settings, and during setup, you can choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Make sure to select a backup that was created before the messages were deleted. Once the restore is completed, the message from that backup should appear. Keep in mind, restoring from a backup will replace your current data with the data from that backup. That's it. Those are the ways to recover deleted messages on iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.